Yeah, say that again.
That movie, that airplane was in a movie called Mother Lode.
Yeah.
And if you're interested in airplanes, just watch the trailer. It's available online I think it might be YouTube.
Yeah.
But anyway, I've seen it, and you'll be interested in it because Charlton Heston, an old actor, and Kim Basinger were in that movie, and the pilot crashed it.
Oh, really? Like actually crashed it?
Actually, accidentally crashed it. So they changed the script to include the crash in the water. And then Kim Basinger swims out of the water and says something like, "I hope you're a better prospector than you are a pilot." Or something like that. All right,
cool.
We'll see you guys.
Thanks.
All right, take care.
Yeah, you too. Nice meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you. Nice little bird. I know you guys are boat people, but I think this is my thing right there.
Look at the engine on that sucker, man. They way overbuilt it, like for horsepower, so it can pretty much just stand on its propeller. It only needs like 20 knots of air, or 40 to fly. So basically, it's a kite. If you set the flaps down with a nice strong wind, it would just start lifting off.
The C-GATJ, it's really good. I like it.
The nice thing with these planes is
I think it's at least $1 million plane.
it's like having a cabin on every lake because you can pretty much go to any lake.
That's true.
You know,
That's
ones
true.
where nobody can get to. There's no road. There's no portage.
Pretty cool. I see a car over there. Alright guys, I'm turning off my phone. The water is splashing on my phone. Sign.
So much for getting out of here at noon, eh? What kind of doctor? Psychiatrist? Not a rock? No, it's not. What? Was that a rock? Yeah. Did you feel it? Maybe a doctor in English literature.
Is that where we're headed?
I think so. You going to the beach?
Land home. Thank you. I gotta upload stuff for YouTube and then watch it. Me too. C-GATJ. That's the name of the
Grab the
airplane.
dock, tie up, I'll jump out and run and get the truck.
Alright, we're on land. Alright, adios folks.
Why don't you just, we throw stuff out here and then I'll just say here, you two can go up there and
Yeah, sure.